This 2018 Dutchmen Coleman Light LX 2155BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Dutchman is 25 feet 10 inches in length and features one slide-out, a neutral decor, residential vinyl flooring interior, sleep 6, microwave, TV, stove top burner, awning, self-contained, spare tire kit, air conditioning, slide-out, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Dutchmen Coleman Light LX 2155BH is 4,465 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.